When a smartphone like the Poco M5 turns off and would no longer power back on or respond, the problem is often due to a minor firmware issue, although there is a possibility that it's a hardware problem. In most cases, you can easily fix it. In this video, we will show you how to fix a Poco M5 that won't turn on or respond. Provided that your device doesn't have any signs of physical or liquid damage, you can make it respond again by doing the forced restart. It's a simulated battery removal that will force your phone to respond and boot up successfully. Here's how it's done. Press and hold the power key for 10 seconds or more. When the phone vibrates slightly, release the power key and it should display the Poco logo. It's a sign that the device has responded to the procedure. Most of the time, it will make the device boot up successfully and you may continue using it if that's the case. However, if this doesn't fix the problem, then it's possible that its battery is totally drained. So the next thing you have to do is connect it to its charger and then do the forced restart after a few minutes. Here's what you should do. Plug the power adapter to a working wall outlet. Connect the phone to the charger using its original data cable. Regardless of whether the charging sign shows or not, leave the phone connected to the charger for at least 5 minutes. After such time and while it's connected to the charger, press and hold the power key for 10 seconds or a little longer this time. You can release the power key if the Poco logo shows, and that should fix the problem for you. Most of the time, these procedures are enough to fix a phone that won't turn on. However, if you really can't make it to respond, then it's time to have it checked. We hope that this troubleshooting guide can help you. Thanks for watching.